Red magic, a mystical branch of occultism, has established itself as a means popular for attracting love and awakening passions. Often associated with rituals aimed at influencing emotions and desires, red magic piques the interest of many spiritual researchers. Red magic, also known as love magic, is an esoteric practice that focuses on the emotional and romantic aspects of life. It stands out from other forms of magic due to its focus on romantic relationships and emotional bonds. Red magic ritual. Attract love with a red candle and honey. One of the most widespread rituals in red magic involves the use of a red candle and honey to attract love. On the small piece of paper, clearly write your intention using positive words. Drop a drop of honey in the center of the paper where your intention is written. Light the red candle with a match or lighter while visualizing your wish for love coming to fruition. Recite an incantation that expresses your desire for love. Visualize your intention being released into the universe. Red magic, with its focus on emotions and love, offers a unique way to channel energies to positively influence our relationships. Although these effects cannot be scientifically proven, many practitioners attest to the positive results of their rituals. If you are considering practicing red magic, always remember to act with respect and responsibility towards the energies that invoke. To learn more about red magic, consult the full free article by visiting the link provided in the description.